Hello, in this video we'll be making a waistcoat or a jacket. So to start with, you get your shoulder line, your chest line, your waistline, and the end of the jacket. So after getting those lines, you measure your body divided by 2. That's the round body divided by 2. Then you add 3 inches allowance for overlay. Okay, that's the same thing I'm doing there. Your round body measurement divided by 2 plus 3 inches for overlay. The same thing on all the lines. I'm taking the measurement in 3 places because I want to get a straight line. So after doing that, just join it like this. This is your body measurement, and this is the allowance, the 3 inches allowance that we have added for the overlap. Okay, so after doing this, I went inside by 3 inches to get my V. I want to do a V neck, and then I'll draw it all the way to that allowance, that overlap allowance, just below the chest and before I get to the waist. Can you see? So just do that. And then I'm going to also draw another line, 3 inches. I'm going in 3 inches also. And then I'm going to also draw another line at the bottom like that. I want to give it a shape. I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm using that part of my ruler to make it, so you can see. And then I'm going to just redraw it because I don't want the tip to be too pointed. Okay, then after that, I'm just cutting it off. So this is a very simple and easy method of doing your jacket. So after cutting this off now, the next thing we are going to be doing now is to shape the down part of it. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do so for simple tutorials like this. So after doing this, I'm just going to give the waistline a kind of shaping. All right, so I'll just use my free hand to just draw it like that, because you can leave it this way, but I want it to be curved a bit. So I just shaped the hemline. Sorry. So that's it. Then after doing that, the next thing, fold your the body into 2 again. Okay, and leave it on that overlap line. Fold it and place it on that overlap line. Okay, then come inside. This is the back neck. Just come in by 3 inches and come down by 1 inch and just draw the shape of your neck. Draw the shape of the neck like this. This is the back neck. Remember, you're only cutting the back, the top part. Next, I'm going to be doing the shoulder slant. Okay, so I'm just going to be slanting it like this. I didn't like the shape, so I'm using a ruler to get a straighter line. So after slanting it, we are going to be getting our armhole, and our armhole will be stopping at the chest line. Okay, so I'm using my free hand to just draw the armhole. This waistcoat that I'm making is for a 3-year-old boy, so it's quite small, but you can use the measurement for any size to still get this measurement. Okay, so I'm cutting off the back neck, the shoulder, and the armhole, as you can see. And that's it, guys. We have our waistcoat. See what I'm going to do now. Once you open it up, so I'm going to turn the right side. This is the right side, so just place it this way. Okay, and you have your V-neck waistcoat. Amazing, right? So if you for the lining, you just need to cut exactly the same thing. I've done that already. You cut exactly the same thing. Can you see? So you can reduce the lining by 1/2 inch all around, so you have a neat finish, or you sew it just this way and you have your waistcoat. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye. Please remember to subscribe. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to sew it. Sew all around and turn over. That's it.